Here is how to create a realistic grass rug in Blender. The first thing you need to do is to delete your default cube and press Shift A to create a new plane, and scale. Press S to scale it to the right proportion, and you want to go to your material, create a new material, and under the material you want to import an image texture where you will add your grass. So now click on your new material and allow it to load. Go to your base color and select image texture, press open and select your grass texture. The reason why we're adding grass texture to the plane is so as to make it look realistic, and while we apply our air particle, it can automatically appear as the actual default color of grass. So now let's just go to our particle here and click on a new particle and click on air. Now what you want to do is to cut your air size to a normal grass size. So let's just make this one, let's make the air size 0.2. I don't want to be too tall. Let's just leave it as 0.2 normal grass size, and you want to increase your numbers to 3000. Click on advanced and go to your children. Under your children here, you want to select your interpolation and you want to leave your display amount to 10. Now you realize once you select our interpolation, the numbers of grass increases. Now it's looking too plain and too straight, not that realistic. So what I want to do right now is to go down under our children and go to our roughness, and under our roughness we want to increase the randomness. So the randomness will make everything appear a little bit scattered and evil. Go to your physics and add a little bit of brown here to it so as to make the air appear a little bit strong. Now with this we have ourselves a nice realistic grass rug. And now we have reached the end of today's tutorial. If this tutorial was indeed helpful to you, do well to subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and with that I see you in my next tutorial.